Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm so excited to be vlogging regularly again. Like you would have seen in the past clips, I was at the cottage with Steve and his family the week before, and we were so tired getting back, so we got takeout the day of, and then the next day even at work I got takeout because I was so exhausted. But it was a good exhausted. You know, when you have so much fun, like you go to a concert and you have the time of your life and you get home and you just fall asleep. That was us after the cottage. We just used so much energy and it was so much fun. We just crashed when we got home. Guys, it's been a really long time since I vlogged. At least it's felt like that. Even though I vlogged and posted a vlog this week, I have not vlogged in weeks. I just got back from vacation and I'm so behind on everything, like cleaning. I need to go to the grocery store. I'm behind in work. I just caught up. So yeah, I guess here's me trying to start a vlog after not vlogging for 2 weeks. Honestly, I don't like taking a break from vlogging because it gets me kind of out of the groove. I feel like when I'm really in the groove, I'm really productive. I get things out quicker and it becomes part of my routine. But when I stop, because sometimes I kind of need to stop, I'm not gonna lie, like vlogging every single part of your life, I'm not trying to be like, oh my gosh, woe is me. But it's hard because sometimes you just want to enjoy, you know, eating your cake versus, oh, gotta take the camera out. And I'm not complaining in the slightest because it's fun and it's still a huge hobby of mine. But, you know, sometimes I need that kind of a break. And when I take that break, it feels great. I'm living life. I'm not living life through my phone screen or I'm not filming everything. But then when I come back, I'm like, wow, I forget how to do everything. So on that note, it is 10 o'clock. I need to catch up on some emails and catch up on my thumbnail for the video going out today. And then I am going to go grocery shopping. I thought about doing a ballet class, but I think I'll have to wait to do that either tomorrow or I don't know, the day after. I'm quite sore from last night. Last night I did a bar fitness class and I am quite sore. I'm very, very sore. My glutes feel like they're about to fall off. Also, I don't know why I've curled my eyelashes with mascara on because now they're all clumpy, but that's okay. We'll deal with it later. Like I said, I'm very sore, so I used my Hydro Gun this morning just to try to relax my muscles a little bit. And I'll do my thumbnail now, and then I'll go to the grocery store because we have literally no groceries here. We went to the cottage on the weekend, or at least Steve went for all of the week last week, and we had a few groceries, but we only had enough really for me in the house. So I'm gonna go get some groceries once I finish doing my thumbnail. Also, this blush by Rare Beauty is so pretty, right? It's so pretty. I always feel like such a mess when I come back from vacation, especially because I try to be really good about cleaning before I go, so I come back to a nice clean house, but I just did not have time last week with work, and that's okay. I was also very busy taking care of my doggie and taking her on lots of swims and walks, which I'll have to do at some point today as well. I just love summer because even though I finished really late, it's still light out and I still feel like I have a couple of hours to unwind or do what I want to do, go to the beach, you know, enjoy a sunset walk. So I'm trying to take in as much summer time as I possibly can. I just love summer so much. I'm such a summer person. Even when I was younger, I always wanted to live by a beach. You know, when I had Tumblr back in the day, my blog was called Life is a Beach, and it was literally only like boho beach aesthetic stuff. And to say that I live close to a beach just makes my heart so happy. So on that note, I've put on way too much blush, but that's okay. It kind of blends in with my forehead burn. I massively burned my forehead and here because that's the one spot I didn't get with sunscreen. I also burned my shoulders a little bit, but it's gotten a lot better. And I burnt my back as well because I couldn't reach my back when I was putting sunscreen on. So anyways, now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go do my thumbnail and then probably go grocery shopping. If I have time, I'll dance before lunch, but I teach at 1 to 1:30 and then I'm going into the studio today and doing choreography. I did some choreography yesterday and oh my goodness, it's so hard to start. Starting is probably the worst thing. You know, it's like any kind of brainstorming. Sometimes brainstorming takes longer for a project than the middle, because once you get the ball rolling, it just keeps flowing. And that's what happened yesterday. I was like, oh, do this, do that, do this, do that. But starting is the hard part. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the ball rolling for today. I'm wearing this Halara top. I haven't worn it in ages, mainly because I like wearing it with like a pair of jeans or leggings like I have right now. Also, I need to clean this mirror, oh my goodness. But I haven't worn it in a long time because I like it as a crop, but I don't like when I have like low-waisted pants. I don't like the feeling of it. So I'm wearing this today and then my Lululemon Align leggings, which are super comfy. And yeah. I still have to find somewhere to store this bar. I would really like to put it in the basement so I have more of a studio space. And oh my goodness, my Squishmallow collection is growing. Comment if you guys want an in-depth, I'm not gonna do a whole video, let's be real, of just Squishmallows, but comment if you want me to show you all of my Squishmallows, because I can do that for sure. Maybe not an entire video, but maybe in the next vlog, I'll just show you all of my Squishmallows, because that's about half of them. I have a problem. Grocery store in town where there's a really nice bakery and pick up some goodies for me and Steve today. So my brain really wasn't working because I had meant to go to the grocery store first and then make a pit stop in town, grab some goodies from the bakery, and then go home. But I did the reverse. So since I did the reverse and I found a really good parking spot, I did some shopping beforehand, but I didn't want the desserts to melt in my hot car. But don't worry guys, I did get some really adorable things at this shop. I went to this kind of spooky Halloween witchy store and I actually can't show you guys what I bought because I don't think I could post it on YouTube. So definitely check out my Instagram stories because I will post it there today. I bought a present for my friend who watched over our cat while we were at the cottage. I was so tempted to buy these Sally socks for myself, but I had to get my head in gear and go to the grocery store, so I did just that and then made myself lunch when I got home. I know the lunch is really lame, but I was in a rush, so this was the best I could do with my time given. So it's currently 8:40. I just finished teaching my last online class of the day. And I want to throw my pointe shoes and do a bit of pointe work. It's super hot today as well. I didn't even bother with tights and leotards. I'm like, there's no way that that's going to be realistic. Also, I have so many bruises on my legs from throwing myself about at the dance studio. We're doing choreography, so literally throwing myself around. Like today, I pretty much ate the floor. I was trying to do a fish flop and it didn't work out. I'm a little too old and too sore, quite frankly. Last night, the class that I did was not easy. So, sorry ladies at barrefit. I teach adult classes every Monday now, and it's great to start out the beginning of the week with a bang, you know, with a good, oh my gosh, all the bruises, with a good workout class, but my goodness, then the rest of the day I'm so sore, the rest of the week rather. But again, it's good to start out with a good workout in the beginning of the week. I always like setting up my day really well with a workout or starting out the week with a nice workout, and then I can just slowly collapse the rest of the week and relax for the weekend. I also need to trim my toenails, oh my goodness, but should be okay for today. I'm just going to do a very short pointe/ballet class. Very, very short. I'm so sore, oh my gosh. Since I was away last week, I have done not a single class, not a single workout. So I was very, 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 very sore from my first class back on Monday. And I just knew sitting around and doing nothing would make my muscles even more tight. So I decided to do a very, very, very easy bar. I didn't even take out my actual bar because I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do something that's really easy right now, move my muscles a little bit so they don't get super stiff. And then after about 15 or 20 minutes, I called it a day. Like I literally just did pliés, tendus, jetés, a little mini rond de jambe on both sides, obviously, and a fondue, then a stretch. Anyways, I know it was a really short video for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.